Aparna. This is my first video and I'm super excited. Today we are going to be making some super cute notebook covers using the daily items that we find in our houses. So let's get into the video. Print out any design of your choice and take a regular notebook. Cut out the sheets according to your book size. Glue them to the book cover. Our aesthetic book is ready now. Take any notebook of your choice and 2 glitter sheets. Trace and cut out according to your book size. Here I have taken glitter sheets which has glue on it, but you can take any regular glitter sheets and glue them using Fevicol. Now stick the glitter sheets onto the notebook cover. I have written a small quote and drawn some cute hearts to make it more beautiful. Paint your notebook using any paint you like. Here I am gonna use chalk paint. I have painted the whole notebook using the baby blue chalk paint. Write anything you like. Using baby pink and white paint, draw a geometric design on it. Hooray! Our cute notebook is ready. Take 2 regular A4 sheets paper and cut it out according to your book size. Glue them to your book cover. Draw some cute flowers on it. Our cute and easy notebook is ready now. I have put in some efforts and hope you all liked it. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.